What is up, ladies and gentlemen? It's yours truly. Got my number one with me today. About to get after him. Y'all stay tuned. Water's looking nice out here today. Let's get him. So you throwing that dynamite. Get him, girl. Fish it slow. Right up here on the other side of the pier is a pretty good little drop off, and there's a lot of structure, so we'll give it a try there. Okay. That's the second little roll I've seen. Sorry, I had my mouth muffled. That's about the second little roll I've seen over here. Right straight ahead, near this point. It's probably been 2 in the past 5 minutes. So that's good. That's signs that there's something going on up here. There's possibly some feeding trout. Could be drum. We don't know, but we're about to go find out. As y'all can see, I don't have a fish finder on my kayak, so this is kind of how you have to go. If you don't have the water depths right there in front of you, you can't tag fish left and right, you can't locate them with an electronic instrument. This is what you got to do. You got to depend on Mother Nature. You're looking for surface activities, trying to find structure. You're looking for birds. Birds tend to hang around where mostly bait fish are, and wherever there's bait fish, there's usually bigger fish, whatever you're trying to target, most likely. Go ahead. What was that again?
It looked like something just broke to your left, but I couldn't really tell.
I wouldn't doubt it. Something was breaking straight ahead. Might be onto something active.
Look like it.
Come on up here and throw that fire at them, baby.
On my way.
Something is hitting it real lightly. That was 2 little tiny taps, so that lets me know it's a real small, non-aggressive fish. Probably hitting it out of curiosity. Yeah, let it sink real slow, and then give it a couple twitches, count to 6, then give it 2 more twitches, and then repeat that. If that don't work, we'll try something else. I'm on. It worked for me. It's a good one. Pull it, boy. Pull it. Oh, it's a rock. We have a striper. Yeah. It's a good striper. I don't know how good I got him hooked. I like striper. It's fun to catch. He's barely hooked. It'll be a miracle if I land him. Yeah, there we go. Take him. We'll take him. Hitting on the mirror lure. There you go. All right, folks, we are done for today. Had a little spare time on my hand. I decided to come on out here and hit the Pungo for a little while. I didn't have a whole lot of luck. I hit up on a 20-inch striper. That lets me know, you know, they're starting to move in pretty good. Pretty soon they'll be on the Roanoke, and I would definitely be giving y'all some videos on that soon. For now, this is where we're at. I've been trying to hit the speckled trout here lately. Spending a lot of time over here on the inshores and in the brackish waters of eastern North Carolina. Wifey has been done for a minute now, but either way, y'all stay tuned for some good fishing trips. I ain't gonna give y'all nothing but the truth. One striper today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. You've been fishing with Hen.